Welcome everyone. My name is Stefan Kulimachkov and this is STK Sport. In this video, I'm going to talk about my PhD project and how you can take part in this research. First of all, a little bit about myself. In 2011, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in sports science and physical education from the National Sports Academy Sofia. And the following year, I obtained a master's degree in physical education after an excellent defense of my thesis paper. In January 2013, I moved to London, and since then I have been working as a gymnastics coach for the Elite Gymnastics Academy. I'm also assisting physical education lessons at St. Edmund's Catholic Primary School. In 2013, with the support of my supervisor, I published an article on the topic of assessment of the physical development of preschool and primary school children practicing artistic gymnastics, which appeared in the Sports and Science magazine, in addition to a presentation at the 6th National Nutrition Conference in the city of Varna, Bulgaria, on the topic of assessment of the nutrition and physical development of preschool and primary school children practicing artistic gymnastics. In 2014, I established the foundation for my dissertation project, which builds upon and represents a development of my master's thesis. Many improvements were made, and at the beginning of 2015, I started conducting this research. Now, let's move to the essential part of this presentation and see what this project is about. The purpose of this study is to assess, using accessible methods for wide application in practice, the diet and physical fitness of primary school children practicing artistic gymnastics. Based on the literature review and our direct observations of the training process in schools and sports centers, we assume that properly and systematically selected methods for assessing the physical fitness and diet in children have the capacity to provide vital information for improving the quality of life, education, and sports training. Gymnastics is one of the key sports from the perspective of a child's development. It develops those main qualities which define physical fitness, like strength, speed, endurance, and flexibility. The repeated physical activities require a proper nutritional regimen, providing the right amount of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, maintaining energy intake and optimal amounts of vitamins and minerals. Nutrition is a major component of children's training because of its interaction with growth and development in childhood. Furthermore, this helps to achieve optimal performance and avoid injuries and problems that may arise due to nutritional deficiencies. Proper nutrition and high levels of physical fitness seem to be the key to improving health and well-being in children. A systematic review of 42 studies reporting the validity of health-related physical fitness shows that there is strong evidence indicating this. Firstly, higher levels of cardiorespiratory fitness in childhood and adolescence are associated with a healthier cardiovascular profile later in life. Secondly, muscular strength improvements from childhood to adolescence are associated with lower levels of excess fat for any individual. And thirdly, a healthier body composition in childhood and adolescence is associated with a healthier cardiovascular profile and a lower risk of death later in life. Therefore, measuring, assessing, and monitoring of physical fitness levels and nutrition in childhood is of huge importance and should be considered as a public health priority. Now, let's talk about the methodology of my dissertation project and how the research is being conducted. The procedure for assessment is very straightforward and time efficient. First of all, let's take a look at the nutrition assessment. By using an adapted food frequency questionnaire, we are going to assess the nutrient intake in children. The children parents will be asked to fill in the food frequency questionnaire. in order to describe their child's usual diet, which should include all main meals, snacks and drinks. The questionnaire lists 24 types of food and drink, in addition to 2 frequency tables for fruit and vegetable consumption. Such a method is most appropriate for measuring the average intake of food on both an individual and group basis. Secondly, we are going to look at the physical fitness assessment. When the results from the food frequency questionnaire are obtained, the children's level of physical fitness will be tested. The assessment will be conducted by employing the Alpha Health-related physical fitness test battery, which was developed to provide a set of valid, reliable, feasible, and safe field-based fitness tests for the assessment of health-related physical fitness in children and adolescents, to be used in the public health monitoring system in a way comparable to that being employed within the European Union. As you can see on this slide, I will be using the extended version of this test battery, which includes measuring height, weight, arm and waist circumferences, triceps and subscapular skin folds, hand grip strength, standing long jump, 4x10 meters shuttle run test, and 20 meters shuttle run test. Height and weight will be obtained to calculate the children's body mass index. Moreover, a specialized software prepared by the World Health Organization named WHO Antro will be used to assess height, weight and body mass index in children. For each variable, Z-score and percentile score for the relevant age will be also calculated. References provided by the World Health Organization will be used to distinguish the body mass index scores for children. Height will be measured with the Leicester measure, which has become the industry standard for inexpensive measuring growth in the community. Moreover, it was the chosen device for the UK's National Child Measurement Programme, NCMP, and it is recommended by the Child Growth Foundation. The weight of the children will be measured to the nearest 50 grams with Tanita BF 689, the children's body fat monitor, which is an ideal tool for monitoring weight and fat levels. Tanita is a world leader in weight measurement, and for more than 60 years, scales have been Tanita's core business. Skin folds will be measured with the industry standard Lunge Skin Fold Caliper, which is widely used in schools, colleges and fitness centers. Body fat percentage will be determined by the sum of the 2 skin folds, triceps and subscapular, using the equations of Slaughter, as they have been specifically recommended for both male and female adolescents because of their accuracy and simplicity. Waist circumference and upper arm circumference will be recorded to the nearest 0.1 centimeters with Lufkin tape. The waist circumference is used to estimate central body fat, whereas the upper arm circumference is measured to estimate the upper arm muscle area. In order to assess the musculoskeletal fitness in children, the hand grip dynamometer test and standing long jump test will be employed. The former measures upper body isometric strength and the latter measures the lower body explosive strength. The maximum isometric grip force of both hands will be determined with a digital hand dynamometer (TKK). This is a digital tool with an adjustable grip span, ranging from 3.5 to 7 cm. The precision of the dynamometer is 0.1 kg. Studies on this dynamometer have already shown that there is an optimal grip span for achieving the maximum hand grip strength, and that optimal grip span is related to the individual's hand size. Therefore, the grip position will be adjusted to the child's hand size according to the equation developed by Ruiz and others. The motor fitness in children will be assessed by using the 4x10 meters shuttle run test. Improvements in speed and agility seem to have a positive effect on skeletal health. A description of the test is shown on the slide. The result is scored in seconds to 1 decimal place. Cardiorespiratory fitness will be assessed by using the 20 meters shuttle-run test, or so-called the bleep test. As I said before, after obtaining the foot frequency questionnaires, I will be assessing the physical fitness levels by using the Alpha Health-Related Test Battery and all of the tools I have mentioned in this presentation. So, whether you are a gymnastics coach or a physical education teacher who would like to monitor all the main health-related fitness components of your students by implementing a valid, reliable and safe test battery in your class, or maybe you're a parent who is looking to provide the best for their children in order to maintain and improve their health through proper nutrition and high levels of physical fitness, you can all join this project. In conclusion, I would like to say that all healthy children, gymnasts and non-gymnasts between the ages of 5 and 11 can take part in this research. I'm positive that we can all learn from it. Should you require more information, have any suggestions, or would like to take part, please do not hesitate to contact me via my email or visit www.stk-sport.uk.